Hello my friends, today I have another template for you for Davinci Resolve Fusion. I have made custom shapes, a pentagon, hexagon and octagon. The size is 1000 by 1000 pixels, but you can adjust this later in Davinci Resolve. Download links will be on my blog, and the links for my blog will be under the video in video description. And now let me show what you can do with these shapes. Okay, once you open the Fusion, go on FX Library, the folder where you downloaded your shapes, and just drag and drop. And then now see the shape. To see the shape, just press 2 on the keyboard. Now let me show you why I choose 2 duplicates. Click on duplicate number 1. Choose copies for 4 copies. Center. Reduce the center like that, and you will get this cool shape, star in the middle. If you want to use the thinner one, use the 50. It's the same thing. Click the C, click on duplicate number 1, choose the copies, for example 6 here, and then reduce the offset, and then you will get this. If you want more, you can for example 12, and then reduce the offset, and you get this. Or again, or again, or again. It's all depends what you want and what you expect. Now let me show you one cool thing. You reduce the size a little bit, and then the angle, you get this source of spinning shapes. That looks quite cool. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give a dislike if you didn't, follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel, comment under the video if we have any questions, and I will see you in another video.